Welcome back, everybody. Today we are going to Dollywood and we're going to go check out the Smoky Mountain Christmas. This is an event they have every winter, and the last day for it this year is going to be January 4th of 2026. All right, we're kind of waiting for it to get dark so we can see the lights better. But here's the sky here. This gets changed out for every festival. Right now they have these bells. They have a ton of these different color Christmas trees. There's red, here's some yellow. Here's some merch. I'm gonna come back to this, but right now we're gonna get some food. Here's some more merch. They have Nutcracker bubble wands now. Here's some more. They have a little gingerbread man with a Santa hat. There is the train all lit up for Christmas as well. Looks really cool here with the steam and the smoke. They have a tasting pass again, but we're just gonna get these regular cheese pizzas. And I think my mom's getting some garlic knots. So like I said, nothing special. Me and my mom got cheese pizza. I guess she didn't want to wait for the garlic knots. And then my son got pepperoni pizza. We're gonna go ahead and wait for the train, but look at the smoke. This is an authentic old-fashioned train that still runs with coal. There's the train pulling out. We're gonna get on the next one. I guess it's the same one. The train's back. That took about 20 minutes, and now it'll be our turn.
Our conductor Bradley here keeping everybody safe. Thank you, Bradley. We'll see you folks later. Have a great evening with us. Bye, bye, bye. Merry Christmas to you. And it is Christmas time here in the Great Smoky Mountains. If you know the words of this song, sing along. And our engineer driving the train tonight is Steven.
I bet that's where the new ride is at.
As we head on up Iron Mountain. Here we go.
That's where the new ride's gonna be.
The whistle. Expedition. It will be the world's first hybrid coaster and whitewater river raft adventure. Yes, I said whitewater river rafts. It's going to have a water feature of some kind in there. It's going to be beautifully illuminated inside, an indoor ride, and scheduled to open up spring of 2026. So come back next season to Dollywood and ride on the night flight. And I also want to introduce our fireman up there on the engine tonight. His name is Jacob. He's also Engineer Steven's brother. And he is the man responsible for hand shoveling all that coal into the firebox to get us up and down this mountain. On a busy day, our big roller coasters you've had fun on today. And I see the drop line tower taking those folks up 230 feet high. And they're going to drop down at 77 miles an hour. Wow. Christmas! Woo-hoo! And we're about to roll back through the village crossing one more time. I see some fresh new faces out. Hey, thanks a lot for coming out and visiting today. We sure are having a whole lot of fun with all of y'all. Enjoy all the festivities and all the great things here in Dollywood. Come ride the train. We got one more left, the 8 o'clock train tonight. And we will see y'all later. Bye, bye, bye.
It is too cold for us, so we're gonna start doing the loop to see all the lights. Here's this stuff. You can see the grist mill all lit up over there. Some festive music playing over there. Glacier Ridge, or entering Glacier Ridge. They have the Christmas theme prizes. There's a lot more blue and white lights. We're gonna bypass the little fork in the road where it goes to Wildwood Grove. We're gonna continue on to Timber Canyon to see more of the lights. I've seen a few of these snowmen this year. I think they're new. I don't recall seeing them in the past. They have some polar bears over here. All right, let's continue on. All right, we're about to go through the Arctic Passage. Back to the front area. Now you can see this section over here lit up all at night. It's beautiful. All right, I'm finally gonna check out some merch here. I wanna see what they have for the Christmas stuff. They have some new Spirit jerseys. I like how these look like Christmas sweaters. $75 for that one. This one's kind of fuzzy at the bottom. That one's $79.99. Here's just some more general Dollywood sweatshirts. There's some more fuzzy Spirit jerseys. And here's this nice sweatshirt. I've admired these before. Here's some of the lounge flies. She's starting to expand her collection. There used to only be like 2. Here's a Christmassy one. Here's another new crew neck for Christmas. More crew necks, Santa mugs, Santa hats. Here's a little dashing through the snow hoodie. That one has pockets. This white one's cute too with the glitter Dollywood. It's $39.99. I'm gonna wrap this video up here. That was just a quick Dollywood night. The cold got to us too much. Feel free to leave me a comment and like the video, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.